Hi to everyone. Let us study a new grammar lesson, that is passive voice, which means active voice to passive voice. Change a sentence from active voice to passive voice. Actually, what is the difference between active voice and passive voice? In active voice, the subject, the doer, one who does the action, okay now, is active. Whereas in passive voice, that subject become passive and the object become active. Object becomes subject in passive voice. Okay now. So subject plus verb plus object is a usual, a natural word order of a statement. You know, sentences are of four types. Statements, which means assertive or declarative sentence. Questions, which means interrogative sentence. Imperatives and exclamatory. Let us study first how to change a statement from active voice to passive voice. Look here. See, she eats a mango. This is subject, this is verb, this is object. Okay now? Subject plus verb plus object. So S plus V plus O, that is active voice. I repeat, subject plus verb plus object is equal to active voice. See, now changing that active sentence into passive voice, you have changed the word order. The object should be coming first. Object plus verb plus subject. The verb should be, the word order should be in this way. Be plus V3. You know the forms of be? Am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were. Okay now? Am, is, are present, was, were past. Am, is and was are singulars. And are and were are plurals. So you have to use be form. Any of these forms according to the tense and number. According to the tense of the verb and the number of the subject. Accordingly you have to use. Understand very clearly, to change a verb from active to passive voice, the verb structure should be be form should be used. Be plus V3. You know, verb has three forms: V1, V2, V3. Present, past, past participle. Actually, past participle form is V3. Okay now? Past participle of the verb. So, am, is, are, was, were, according to, I repeat, tense and number, it should be used. For example, she eats a mango. See, verb is eats. What is the tense of it? Present simple. Okay now? So present tense form of am, is, are. So passive form is see, am, is, are plus V3. Okay now? Am and is for singulars and are for plural. So she eats a mango. Object should become subject. Okay now? Object plus verb plus subject is equal to passive voice. So a mango, am, is, are. A mango means singular. Is present. So what should be taken? Am, is, are. Which one should be taken? Not am, not are, but is. Is it not so? A mango is V3 of eat. Eaten. E-A-T-E-N. By. Okay. So let us see what will be the answer to that when you change from active to passive. Okay now? So a mango, that is a object. So let us write that first. Object, a mango. Verb, eats. So be plus V3. Be form. Eats is present singular. Eats. So is should be the be form. A mango is V3 of eat, eaten by her. Did you understand how you got this answer? So be plus V3, verb form should be Amisar was where plus V3 of the verb should be used according to tense and number. See, is you got because singular, because a mango is singular. So a mango is, not are. Suppose she eats mangoes. What will be the answer? Mangoes, plural, are. Mangoes are eaten by her. So you have to use it according to tense and number. For example, take another example. Say, they eat apples. Now, of writing the answer here because apples plural, eat present. So, what will be the answer? Apples, not is but are. Apples are eaten. V3. Apples are eaten by them. Take any other example. I write a letter. A letter is written by me. She sings a song. A song is sung by her. Is it not so? Any other example can you say yourself? She reads a novel. A novel is read by her. He brings the news. The news is brought by him. So any answer you can say in this way. So this is all what a present simple. So we study what? Present simple tense. How to change a present simple statement into passive voice. Okay, na? I hope it is clear to you. Let us move to a past simple. If you know present simple, it is very easy to study past simple. Why? She eats a mango becomes she ate a mango. She ate a mango. Is it not so? Eat, ate, eaten. V2 and V3. So very simple. So is eaten becomes a was eaten. That's all. So a mango was eaten by her. A mango was eaten by her. Take another example. They eat apples. Into past simple, they ate apples. Answer: apples were eaten by them. I repeat, apples were eaten by them. For another example, I wrote a letter. A letter was written by me. She drove a car. A car was driven by her. Is it also? He sings a song. Sorry, he sang a song. A song was sung by him. In that way, you can change any verb according to tense and number. Now it is a past simple. Number 2. See, now let us go to future simple. Future simple, you know future, shall or will plus V1. So, she eats a mango. She will eat a mango. She will eat a mango. First person shall, second and third persons will. That is structure of a future simple. So, she will eat a mango. I shall eat a mango. We shall eat mangoes. You will eat a mango. You will eat mangoes. He will eat and they will eat mangoes. So, she will eat a mango. So, subject will eat is a verb. Is it also? Mango, as usual, it is an object. So, a mango will comes a will be. Is it not so? Yes. Will be eaten by her. A mango will be eaten by her. Another example, they will eat apples. Apples will be eaten by them. He will drive a car. A car will be driven by him. I shall write a letter. I shall, first person. A letter shall not will, because letter is third person. I first person. I repeat, first person shall, I or we. Second and third persons both should be used with will. So a letter will be written by me. I repeat, I shall write a letter. The answer will be a letter will be written by me. So these are the three simple tense forms: present simple, past simple and future simple. Shall we move on to present continuous? Shall we? I hope it is clear to you. Let us move on to present continuous tense. Okay, so he eats a mango is our example. Okay, now, so when it is changed to present continuous, how it will be? He, is it he? Okay, every example she. Okay, she is eating a mango. She is eating a mango. So ing form, present continuous tense. So how will you change it? Here with the verb itself ing is there. So when you change into passive voice, a mango is being, be form directly. Is it not so? A mango is being eaten by her. Present continuous tense. Okay, na? Yes, a mango. What is the answer? Is being eaten. Of course, V3 should be there, but ing form of the be form. See, I mean, a mango is being eaten by her. Next example, they are eating apples. Apples are being eaten by them. He is driving a car. A car is being driven by him. I am writing a letter. A letter is being written by me. So being should be used with the present continuous tense. Is it clear to you? Yes. With the verb ing is there. So with the be also ing should be there. So any example you can take. Okay. She is reading a book. A book is being read by her. Whatever sentence you want, you can take. So use ing with the be. Okay, na? So now we come to past continuous. So how to change that past continuous tense into passive voice? See, if you know present continuous, it is easy. Why? Because she is eating a mango. Change it into past continuous. She was eating a mango. So is eating became was eating. That is only change. So it is very easy. So a mango, verb was ing form, being eaten. A mango was being eaten by her. Is it clear to you? A mango was being eaten. Okay, na? By her. Other example, they were eating apples. They were eating apples. So, apples were being eaten by them. Apples were being eaten by them. If you know present continuous, it is very easy to study or write past continuous. Only Amisar is getting changed. No other change. So, any sentence you take, I was writing a letter. A letter was being written by me. He was driving a car. A car was being driven by him. She was singing a song. A song was being sung by you. You were studying a poem. A poem was being studied by you. Can you say these answers in this way? If I say sentence, can you say the answer? Once try yourself. Okay now. Present continuous, past continuous. For future continuous, there is no passive. For example, she will be eating a mango. So the answer should be a mango will be being. Yes, we cannot use in such a way. If at all, this is the only answer. So that is not the correct method of usage. So generally, future continuous tense sentences will not have a passive voice. So there is no passive for future continuous tense. So let us move on to the next. That is present perfect. Perfect tense means what? Has or have plus V3. Isn't it so? Has or have plus V3. Present. If it is past, had plus V3. You know it. Okay now. Has or have plus V3 is present perfect. Had plus V3 is equal to past perfect. So she has eaten a mango. She has eaten a mango. A mango, what is the answer? Has plus V3 of B. You see? V3 of B. That is been. A mango has been eaten by her. So answer will be, what is that? A mango, what's that? Tell me the answer. Here, she has eaten a mango. So answer, a mango has been eaten by her. So they have eaten apples. What will the answer? Apples have been eaten by them. She has driven a car. A car has been driven by her. I have written a letter. A letter has been. Why? A letter is singular. Has been written by me. Is it not so? In any way you can say. Remember that has or have, if it comes, has been or have been. If it is past, had been. Okay now? I mean, if have, has is used, been, V3 should be V3 of B. V3 of B, been. Okay now? Yes, ing of B, being. In the same way, V3 of B is a been, B-double-E-N, been. So, she has eaten a mango has been. I have driven a car has been driven by me. She has sung a song has been sung by her. They have eaten apples have been eaten by them. That is present perfect. Let us come to past perfect. Which means had plus V3. Past perfect means, you know it, had plus V3. So same sentence, can you change it? She has eaten a mango. What will the answer? She. Has becomes a had. She had eaten a mango. The answer will be she had eaten a mango. Passive, a mango had been. Here it comes has been or have been. In past it will be had been. So present into past. Past perfect, a mango had been eaten by her. They had eaten apples. Apples had been eaten by them. I had driven a car. A car had been driven by me. She had sung a song. A song had been sung by her. That is past perfect tense. Now we come to future perfect tense. Okay now? Okay, shall I write here? Can you see it? Yes. Future perfect tense. For example, you see, she will have eaten a mango. Okay now? She will have. See, future perfect means shall have or will have. So, she will have eaten a mango. will have, if it is there, will have been. If have is there, have been, has is there, has been, had is there, had been, according to subject and tense. Okay, na? According to subject. See, a mango, singular. So, a mango in future, I mean, first person shall, I and we. Second and third persons will. That is the only change. The remaining all have. There is no chance of has. Okay now? Because will have, shall have. Okay now? There is no question of has. So, a mango will have been. Is it not so? Yes. Eaten by her. So, a mango will have been eaten by her. Or another example, they will have eaten apples. Can you say the answer? Object apples will have been eaten by them. Apples will have been eaten by them. Another example, he will have driven a car. A car will have been driven by, him. I shall have written a letter. A letter shall not will, because a letter is third person, I first person. Yes, a letter will have been written by me. In this way you have to change. Suppose if you get a sentence in present simple, can you change into all 8 forms? See, all 8 forms. Why? Because no, perfect continuous also, does not have any passive form. For example, I have been writing a letter. A letter, what is that? Has been being, you have to use. That's not a correct usage. So, all 3 perfect continuous tense forms will not have passive voice. You get passive only for 8 tense forms. 3 simple, present simple, past simple and future simple. Present continuous, past continuous, only 2. Present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. In this way, you get passive forms for only 8 tense forms. So, if you are given a sentence, can you change into all 8 forms and into passive voice? If you know it, you can be sure of getting the mark if statements are asked. Statements means assertive or a declarative sentence. Is it not so? Yes. So, if an assertive sentence is given, you should be able to change into all tense forms and into passive voice. Can you? Once try. I write a letter. A letter is written by me. I wrote a letter. A letter was written by me. I shall write a letter. A letter will be written by me. I am writing a letter. A letter is being written by me. I was writing a letter. A letter was being written by me. I have written a letter. A letter has been written by me. I had written a letter. A letter had been written by me. I shall have written a letter. A letter will have been written by me. Yes, in that way you have to change into other tense forms, that is a passive voice statements. I hope it is clear to you. Yes, thank you.